Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road. We got the 90 up on the lift here, and we're gonna put a lift in it. Doesn't sound good, does it, Zach?
No, not really.
Probably redo it.
Yeah.
Lifted Defender 90 behind me, I'm gonna lift it even more. Was that better?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll roll with that one. And to do that, we're going to use our Proud Rhino lift rods. It's a pretty simple installation. These rods are about 68 bucks, and we can lift your truck 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or 2 inch. They come in 3 flavors. For this particular one, we're gonna do the 1 inch, and I think the 1 inch is about the best if you're gonna run a 33-inch tire, and that's what we're gonna stick on. You still retain a ton of ride quality, and even in high mode, it doesn't get too bouncy. So let's take a quick look on how to install these. You wanna bring that in, Zach? Height sensors right here. So we're gonna pop this off the bottom. Whoop. There. And then carefully set that down. What a ruckus. And then just wiggle it off. Boom. That easy. You're done with that. This is a factory lift rod, height rod, whatever you want to call it. They're just made of soft, flexible rubber. I've read on the internet that your lift rods need to be super strong, or else, I don't know, the factory ones do this, so the aftermarket ones need to be biblically strong, hold up a bus. Ours, you can't bend them, not that it really matters. And then you just slide these little rubber grommets over, and boom, your truck's lifted. You want to bring that back in, boss? And a little bit of lube. Height sensor first, and the hard point last. That's it, man. Do that on the other side, and you have installed, in this case, a 1 inch lift, but again, we have them in 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch for your new 2020 and up Defender. All right, we're gonna throw tires on it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.